When it comes to choosing a commercial tumble dryer, there are loads of options to choose from before making a decision.
For example, you'll have to consider what size your appliance needs to be. For instance, does it have to fit under a counter?
At JLA, we have products that are designed to fit your needs. Whether you want to drive down energy costs or drive up efficiency, we have a solution.
In this video, we'll take the stress out of the research process by breaking down your choices and running through the key features and benefits of our JLA range.
We'll give you all the information you need so you can get the right tumble dryer for your organisation. And don't forget, whatever product you choose from JLA, we're here to support you and your business whenever you need us.
Our team of experts are available 24/7, 364 days a year over the phone. And you're also supported by our network of JLA engineers who cover the whole country, so help is never far away.
And if you select JLA Total Care, you'll have one of our highly skilled engineers at your door within 8 working hours.
So let's dive in and take a closer look.
First up, we have the JLA 98 Commercial Tumble Dryer. Designed with efficiency in mind, the JLA 98 has a 9.5 kilogram capacity and a drum volume of 201 litres. It's ideal for everyday multi-load use and allows you to do more in less time for more efficient than ever performance. The machine's angled control panel makes it easy to select cycles and monitor loads, whilst the pre-programmed cycles make it easy to select the appropriate program. The JLA 98 also comes with 4 different temperature settings, making it adaptable to suit any load type. The JLA 98 is simple to use and maintain. Our extra wide doors make loading and unloading easy, whilst the robust lint filter is easy to maintain and ensures maximum performance with every cycle. As well as gas and electric varieties, the JLA 98 is available in a coin-operated model for commercial use. The coin-operated model has an extra large integrated coin box to reduce the need to empty as frequently, meaning less hassle for business owners. And the JLA 98 is also available with stackable options with either the JLA 98 washing machine or dryer. The JLA 98 is great for fitting into rooms where space is at a premium. Overall, the JLA 98 dryer is the ideal choice for small businesses, housing, schools, intimate restaurants and small care homes. Like all our machines, the JLA 98 comes with a range of purchase and rental options to suit your needs, including our unique JLA Total Care package.
Next up, we have the JLA 7 and 8 Commercial Tumble Dryers. With intuitive controls, a variety of programs and light touch buttons, these machines are incredibly easy to operate. This range of freestanding commercial tumble dryers includes 3 options: the JLA 7U, the JLA 8V and the JLA 8C. Our JLA 7U commercial dryers have a capacity of 7 kilograms and a drum volume of 118 litres and are designed to fit under counter. Meanwhile, our JLA 8V vented and JLA 8C condenser commercial tumble dryers have a capacity of 8 kilograms and a drum volume of 150 litres. Built to last with a stainless steel drum and high specification components, the JLA 7 and 8 dryers combine durability with intuitive, easy-to-use controls. All JLA 7 and 8 machines also come with an auto dry program. This clever bit of tech detects when the load is dry and ends the cycle there and then, guaranteeing maximum efficiency and keeping energy bills down. The large drum capacity also helps items dry quickly with less creasing. As you'd expect, the JLA 7 and 8 commercial tumble dryers are stackable across the range and are available in coin-operated versions. There is also a condenser option available. Condenser dryers require no external ducting, which is a great solution if your dryer is going to be situated in an area of your workplace with no external walls. These machines are popular within multiple occupancy housing, nurseries and daycare facilities, or really any setting where high-volume multi-user requirements exist. Designed to perform and built to last, JLA 7 and 8 commercial dryers can withstand the pressure of even the toughest commercial laundry rooms. Okay, now let's take a look at the JLA Commercial DDry range. DDryers tick all the boxes. efficient, economical to run, and packed with great usage and safety features that all combine to offer a hassle-free drying solution. Our JLA Commercial DDryers come in a range of models and sizes, so you'll find it simple to find an option that fits perfectly in your commercial laundry room. 4 different models are available: the D30, D40, D50, and our largest option, the D75, which has an impressive 634-litre drum volume. No matter how much laundry you do and how many cycles you need to run daily, there should be a D-dryer for you. All our D-dryers are incredibly easy to operate and keep clean, with wide door opening and one-touch activation, with 6 pre-programmed cycles that can be stored for ease of use. All D-dryers come with our auto-detect dry tech. Sensors within the dryer can identify when the load is dry, which means less energy being used and quicker cycle times. The large lint filter drawer on the D-dryers is another useful feature. Not only does it lead to more effective drying, sensors within the machine will prompt you to empty it when full. Overall, the D-dryer range is suited to high-volume commercial use and is built to stand the most demanding of environments. Next up, we have our JLA Touch Commercial Tumble Dryer range. With energy costs growing, the need for an efficient, cost-effective machine has never been greater. Our JLA Touch tumble dryers produce industry-leading energy consumption and are packed with lots of great features. Touch commercial tumble dryers deliver fast drying and help you save on your energy bills. Concentrated airflow and sealed cylinder rims help maintain a high throughput without using lots of energy. Available in 3 options, the 30, 50, or the 75, there is a touch that will suit most organizations, whatever your size and usage needs. Designed with fewer moving parts for less wear and tear, a large, easy-to-clean lint compartment, and a heavy-duty door hinge, our commercial tumble dryers are designed to perform cycle after cycle. As well as looking incredibly smart thanks to their stainless steel front panel and grey painted side panels, our JLA Touch tumble dryers contain a number of features and benefits that you'll love. First off, the Touch comes with a 68cm door opening that makes loading and unloading easy. To make this process even simpler, each machine also contains an easy clean large lint filter, which allows for easy removal and efficient drying. The Touch also comes with a reversing drum. This neat feature prevents linens from tangling, which in turn means garments dry quicker. Our Touch users also love the 7-inch full-color touchscreen display with swipe function. This makes setting up your next cycle really simple. The screen has built-in operating instructions, and control content is available in 34 languages. It even provides you with automated maintenance service reminders. As with all our machines, the JLA Touch tumble dryer comes with electric and gas heating options, as well as some optional extras like JLA Safe technology, which prevents laundry fires. Check out the video all about Safe to find out more. That pretty much covers the Touch tumble dryers, but if you need more info, get in touch. Our experts have helped more than 25,000 organizations get the right equipment. And don't forget, all our machines are available as part of JLA's Total Care service. Total Care Rental gives you brand new equipment with no upfront cost and round-the-clock support.
Find out more at jla.com/totalcare.
That pretty much wraps up our JLA Commercial Tumble Dryer buying guide.
We hope you found the information useful and you get the right machine for your business.
And don't forget, if you want to find out more about how our machines can help, check out some of the other videos in the series or get in touch with one of our experts today.